How to make all TikTok videos private. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go over a few steps on how you can make all TikTok videos private. Well, open up TikTok first and head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile, you'll be able to see all your videos. Now to set it to private, you'll have to open up the video, tap on three dots, tap on privacy here that you'll find the privacy setting, the lock icon, tap on it and you'll have to set it to only you. So you'll have to do this one by one for all the videos to set it all to private videos. However, what you can do is if you don't want others seeing your video, the other way is to set your account to private. So if you lock your account, right, tap on hamburger icon, head into settings and privacy, tap on privacy here, and then you can see private account. So with a private account, only users you approve and that already follow you will be able to watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. However, the new followers won't be able to see any of your videos, any new videos that you upload or any of your past videos. And even if they want to see it, they'll have to send you a follow request first, which you will have to approve. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.